2014-15 অর্থবর্ষের ফিনান্সিয়াল রেজাল্ট প্রকাশ করল সিন্ডিকেট ব্যাংক। আন্তর্জাতিক স্তরের এই বাণিজ্যিক ব্যাংকটি গত অর্থবর্ষে তাদের মোট আয় বাড়িয়েছে 19% কাছাকাছি, যেখানে ব্যাংকের নেট প্রফিট বেড়ে দাঁড়িয়েছে 1523 কোটি টাকা। গত অর্থবর্ষে এই সাফল্যের হাত ধরেই সিন্ডিকেট ব্যাংক গোটা দেশ জুড়ে 303টি নতুন শাখাও খুলেছে।
Recruitment ban for many years together. So like ours, many banks also, their seniors are retiring, branches are expanding, but sufficient staff strength was not there. So to recruit new officers, staff, everyone. With this, bank has started recruiting people, and the growth for the branches also has begun. Now, Kolkata region, which has made a landmark growth of about 32% last year, and the credit segment, loans and advances, we've increased by around 43%. Whereas the banking sector as a whole, or this part of the country, it was in the region of around 17%. But by virtue of our network and the private sector advances, also we have done substantially well. And private sector one such area where everyone looks for. The bank has done certain schemes which are meant for the ladies, for the Mahila Shakti, seen Mahila Shakti, which no bank has got exclusively. And bank as a whole has got about 1 lakh accounts, 1 lakh loan accounts within a period of 7 days all over the country. Calcutta also we had, within say 7 days, around West Bengal we have got around 15,000 accounts, 15 to 70,000 accounts for the Mahila Shakti. And bank has tried to intrude into the areas of rural branches, wherever in last 9 months we have opened around 11 branches. Out of that, some of them are rural. And this year, for the state of West Bengal, we have projected a opening of around 20 to 25 branches. And as discussed in various circles, the banks, we plan to go to the unbanked areas where there is no bank, or difficult areas, many banks do not go. So out of this, at least 25% branches will be opened in the unbanked areas. And the areas which have not been served by Syndicate Bank and other banks, especially in North Bengal and certain areas where banking facility has not reached in many areas, so where we are concentrating in. And agricultural growth will be our priority with low-cost deposits. Low-cost deposits constitute around 28% for our region, and this we want to bring it to little more, because with the opening of new Prime Minister's announced those insurance schemes, Syndicate Bank is 6th largest bank in the country to open the most of the insurance products last 1 week. And Kolkata region as such has opened around 70,000 accounts in a period of 7 days. Insurance applications have been opened, and per branch account for the PMJ Syndicate Bank was the per branch highest number of accounts opened. So with this, we are trying to include the ladies, the downtrodden, and the people who do not have any reach to the banks. So bank is going from district to district. Which of the districts where do not have sufficient branches, Syndicate Bank has come on heavily on those areas, so that the lopsided development doesn't take place, and the MSME and private sector has to also be taken into account.
This part of the country, in our FGMO, Bhubaneswar, we have Anu Bhubaneswar, which controls basically Odisha, and Patna region we have. Patna region covers Bihar and Jharkhand, and West Bengal exclusively it's connected to West Bengal and Sikkim, and we have Northeast, all 7 states we have. So all these things put together, we have a business of around 24,000 crores for last year, 23,171 crores, and we have registered growth of almost around 40%, and deposits we have grown around 40% for the last year, and the total advances we have gone by 37.45%. So NPA, it was 2.74% of the total advances. So we did well in MSME also. MSME, our growth is, last year it was 10.21%. In agriculture, our growth was phenomenal. We had a growth of 52% last year. So friends, this is a brief about Syndicate Bank's last year performance. So this for the current year we are going to focus more on retail advances and more on retail deposits.